Hello everybody, this is Richard, Self-Reported Corruption Czar. How everybody doing tonight? Hey, guess what to do? I'm doing some changes to my channel. And what do you think about this marquee light behind me? I'm going to take my light off. This is live stream 38. So basically we're talking about the RICO Act. And this is like the most important video I will make. Because this is the last video of 2018. I think I made like 53 video on the relay scam. So this here will put all my videos together. And I point over 120 point of liability or criminal act by the red light camera program enforcers. You know, like the local police department, the clerk of the court, administration court, judges, chief judges, commissioner, city, county commissioner, mayor, police chief, red light cop, red light camera company, the bailiff, the court. Remember, they threw you in jail. They made a mistake. Because I'm going to apply the RICO Act. It's triple damages to this. So before we do anything, let's go and take care of some business. And the first thing we do on my channel, you know what that is. I like to do this. I like to take the oath. And because you know why? If you're a law-abiding citizen, if you're a politician, if you got a state license, guess what you do? You take a oath, like a cop, the judges, state attorney, Florida Supreme Court. What is the oath? Right here is the F.B.I. oath, and we'll take a quick look at it. What they said. Okay, let's do a quick oath. I will support and defend the U.S. Constitution. Now I'll be sworn in when we take care of business today. So some of you guys, the first time here, you're sharing about the red light camera scam. And I'm a victim of it. And I filed over 70 complaints with like 17 government agencies, and each of them trying to cover up for each other. Well, I got to move, try to make this look right. Okay? I'm trying to use a webcam because my computer camera is too fuzzy. So I guess my video card is not that great. I'm going to bring my microphone. I'm going to take a look at my microphone here. And what happened is the reflection off of my computer, it bouncing in my glasses, so I got to figure a way around that pretty soon. So I will figure it out. So let's do this. I got two computers sitting here. I got one over here in front of it, this computer. So let's go down to here and put some things out. Okay, here we go. Let's go to this one. If you a victim of the red light scam, if you're a politician, you want to learn what's going on here. Hang on, come on, computer. I gotta get my other computer going, a screensaver come on. So, you know something, I got a ticket. Guess what? I'm gonna try to get you guys $600,000 for paying that $158 ticket. Okay? For the people who fought it, get more money. And I'm able to prove my point. Uh-oh, what is that there? Oh, that's a computer doing an update. I got this, somebody donated a computer to me. It's all on one computer, and I just pick it up, plug it in, and look up some Florida statutes with it for what we're going to talk about. Because this here, I cannot read the screen in front of me. That's a bigger double the size of this screen. So let's go down something. Okay, so you're a victim, got a red light ticket. I'm going to try how you get your money. First, I get my money. I'm going to show you something. Guess how much money I'm asking for? Take a guess. Right here. I'm going to add something here. I'm asking for a lot of money here, guys. I'm a victim. I'm the one who figured out how to get your money. So let me go down to add this scene to it. And hang on a second. Okay, here we go. Let's go to the next scene. So what happened if I put a picture in it? So I went to the city and asked for $200 million. Because the way I look at it is this. Every time my interaction with a government worker or the red light company or a city politician, a commissioner, or I'll speak at a government meeting, a city county meeting, or you know, I'm gonna bill you $2 million for each time. That's what I'm entitled to. Plus time, this $200 million might be wrong now. It might be $600 million. if I get a RICO Act. So what I got to do is say, like I said, I can file a federal complaint anytime I want to. Like I said, in my phone, I got an FBI app in there. They track me. Google track me. So every time I go to a government agency, they know I'm there. So you gonna lie, you will be subpoenaed if I file a federal complaint. So what the purpose of notice of claim is to work something out. Okay. So I got the new gadget marquee. I got to switch color. I got remote control with that. Hang on, remote control with that. So play with the light. I'm thinking about my new channel. Get off the red light scam and get to regular topics. Okay. So let's go down. Let's get to the law of the land. Oh, here's my Facebook art, people. If you want to go, most of my article is from my Facebook page. What do you mean by that? I use my Facebook page as my notebook. Okay, so I put like 500 articles or comment or video something to do with a red light camera scam for like the last 3 years. Okay, so like I said, I'm the world best advocate against red light cameras. Guess what? I think I'm the world best advocate against any type of cameras or any type of electronic devices. Okay, digital devices to steal people money. Okay, so because I deal with the Constitution. I'm going to talk about some things here. I'm going to go down to the hang on, let's go down. So how many the RICO Act? I've been reading Supreme Court cases and state Supreme Court cases or lawsuits, and few of them brought a RICO lawsuits or any lawsuits. So how many counts do the attorneys show up with? They show up like 1 or 2 counts to take to the Supreme Court. I got over 120 counts I bring up interest I can bring up. So how in the heck, I swear the attorney wanted to lose in front of the Supreme Court. Okay, so I want to say, you know how many RICO Act crime involved? Look at this. They got, oh my camera, I forgot to add a camera here. Let me go back out. I forgot to add the camera on this one. I'll take a second. Boom, boom, boom. This will take a few seconds. And my camera. Yep, slide over. Okay, there we go. Yeah, good. Here we go. Here we go. It says 35 type of crimes. So I'm gonna go over a few of them today. Okay, remember, I point out over 120 unethical practices or liability, criminal acts by the people who implement the red light scam. So let's go down with a couple of slides here. I can talk all day. Here's the basic. Well, here's the concept. Here's the basic concept of the RICO Act right here. Okay. So basically, the RICO provides civil, criminal, or civil penalty for person, hang on, who engage in a pattern of racketeering activity or collection of unlawful debt. Okay, the red light scam. All of them. Violation notice, citation, special driver license, debt collector letters. Guess what? They are unlawful debt you put on the owner of the vehicle. Okay? Remember, on a uniform traffic law, you identify the driver. That's why, like I said, if you watch my video, all my video bring up this. I'm going to go back to law of land. Is this. Any city ordinance, any state, county rules, the laws you make, ordinance, guess what? To correctly enforce it, we're entitled to, you meet U.S. Constitution guidelines or requirement. That means proper due process, not your illegal court. Due process means the everything. You get the first, like I said, you violate the first, the 4th, 5th, the 6th, the 14th. Okay, 14 is equal protection of the law. That means if one person got it right, everybody get it. If one county thinks it's illegal, every county is illegal. If one city thinks it's illegal, everybody get it. Because you put a camera, you got special rules. It doesn't work that way. That's why the Constitution is so great. Keep from people running those scams. So what? Like I said, politicians, city commissioner, county commissioner, state legislator. Guess what? you got fooled by a professional criminal. Okay, they profile you. Like in my video, they remember the 412 cities, 67 county in state of Florida. Did every city, every county do the RICO program? And the answer is no, because they don't fall for the scam. So you got to fool the people. Remember, the people who come straight legislators or politicians want to control people. Okay, and remember in this scam, the RICO camera helped write the rules. So what they're going to do is give the government agency liability. So now the government agency is forced to defend the scam. That's what your downfall is. Because I'm that one person in the state of Florida you can't defeat. What is my nickname? Corruption Czar. Like I said, I'm going to try to get the new governor appoint me as the first ever corruption czar, because I'll put everybody in prison. I'm going to impeach the Florida Supreme judges who try to protect the RICO camera program. Okay, because what you do, what you took the oath to defend the Constitution, what the government agency want. Your job is to protect the government agency. The Constitution. So if the city, county, or state violate it, you need to protect the citizens. Your job is the citizen, not the government. So let's go back to where we're at. So we talk about law of land. So let's go down. This is what I like. Hang on, I'm gonna go with some basic. Oh, we talked about the basic law act. Here we go. We'll go back to this video. So basically, you want to look at it, racketeering. So look, there's 70 series of federal crime, including extortion. See what I'm talking about? The violation there, the citation there, suspension, license is a form of extortion. Okay. Remember, you need. So here what you going to lose? You got a private company that never show up for court, never witness in court, never take legal action, no paperwork. No, the Sixth Amendment, untried. First Amendment, I'm trying to see the paperwork. I don't see no paperwork from the RICO company. The name of the person who falsely accused me of what you made up. Your statute you made up don't match uniform traffic law, so I do not acknowledge what you say. Because it don't matter. I follow Constitution law, uniform traffic law. Your rule is illegal. So that's what we talk about. Okay, let me go down to this here. Let's pick 7, 8. Let's go down and here what I like. Let's look at this one. Take a look at this. I call this where you gotta lose. Tampering or harassing the victim or witness in the red light scam. Look at that. A person who knows using intimidation or threat other person, or something to do to engage in misleading conduct toward other person. You see that? The gain of, so like I said, in the red light scam, you go to traffic court, and the red light cop go out there, you look at the video, that's intimidation. First of all, it's an illegal court, because since when do the plaintiff party check in the defendant in a court? Just in a red light court. So, I'm going to go back to my screen here. So, that is harassment. That is tampering with the witness. Then you got the bailer out, so I gave you instructions. No, you can't go in there and ask the computer expert. Ask questions about computer stuff, evidence. So that intimidation. Then you got the public. Remember the city public information man that threw me out of his office. He said, get out of here! It's threatening me. Okay, let's go there. Then I'm banned from the Florida, from my state attorney office. They gang up on me. There's one person on, then 2, then 3, then 4. They told me I'm banned from talking to they won't let me talk to the state attorney. They won't let me. You banned. You ain't allowed to. They ain't gonna let me talk to the state attorney in my county. That's illegal too. That's why the RICO Act apply, people. I apply the RICO Act like the chief judge. I took letters. Because remember, the traffic judge answered all motion of the court. Go to her. She rejected all my motion and violated my constitutional rights and my due process and First Amendment. This one here, the RICO Act. Okay? So let's go look at the. Okay, here we go. Let's go back to the RICO Act. I like to go down to destroying evidence. The 914-2, go all the way down to number C, and then B. Alter, destroy. Okay? Guess what they did? They altered stuff in this scam. They altered. I took information to the local court or administrative court They took the information, changed it for them, benefit them. Okay, and a lot of stuff. Okay, next thing we deal with is all the, oh, here, let's go down to E. Hinder or delay or prevent communication with law enforcement officers or judges. Okay, or commissioners. You see what I'm talking about? That's on E. So, remember, I went to the state attorney office. The FBI sent me there. They said, hey, go to the state attorney office. Then we get the FBI and Bruce. They told state attorney, this is Bruce, the FBI agent, I won't give his name, to contact me. You need to investigate. Because remember, I went to the FBI told me to report this to the state attorney at this level because remember the red light cops, the bait or intimidating, giving false information, the judge gave false information. They didn't record my information at the courthouse. They refused to take my file complaints at the courthouse, administrative court. You see, and here's the other thing most important. People realize. My letter I took to the chief judge, he failed to record that in the computer system. He never did. Okay, and what happened is that should stop the illegal suspension of driver license if they follow the law correctly. What happened? They process in this scam. They process everybody, not due process. What I mean by that is, in the state of Florida, to suspend someone's driver's license, you had to go to court and the judge order it. They don't do none of this in the red light scam. They bypass that. That's what this scam is all about. They use vague language, vague statutes. Okay, so that's happening. That's happening. Remember, you guys did a lot of things wrong in this scam. Put up 120 things wrong. So let me go down to my computer. Like I said here, before slides after slide, I got like 90 slides. No check and balance in the system. This is what part of the RICO Act. Remember, there's 35 crimes or 70 serious federal crime, including extortion or whatever, in the RICO Act. Explain to me show me one attorney go in front of any Supreme Court, any court, come at this angle how I'm coming at it. My case will shut down all cameras in the state of Florida. Okay, and pay them. That's why I want my $200 million settlement soon. Okay, so let's go down to the next slide. I like this evidence bag. What I mean by the evidence bag is this: chain of custody. That means every time you receive a letter, okay. I'm gonna add a video here for a second. What that means is every letter, every person you come to contact with should be recorded or documented in the system. They don't do that. So hang on with my video capture. It didn't show up here. Okay, here we go. Let me slide down. Okay, here we go. We'll flip over. Add a picture here. So that's what I'm saying. That's why it went like here. And RICO Act, Florida Statute 940. This is Florida RICO. I haven't got to the federal RICO Act yet. Okay, people. This one page here destroyed all you guys. So let's go down, show you some videos. So here we're talking about. Here was the city oath. Like I said, every politician, any person who holds state license has to take a constitutional oath. The first thing they swear is to defend and support the Constitution. Okay? That's where I'm going to beat you at. Okay? Let me go down. So let's get our justice system. Okay, hang on. Like here, these guys buddy. The public defendant, the state attorney, the sheriff, and the chief judge assistant buddy. They should not be all buddy. Okay, when I come to questions, I'm gonna straighten this out. They shouldn't be in the same room smiling. Remember, the public defendant, every case in this, I'm gonna show you something. I'll go back to it. Every case that gets dismissed, you're entitled to war damage money. How come you're not collecting it for the victims? That's why I'm talking about corruption charge. Every time the government makes a mistake, you get paid. You pay them when you make a mistake. It's equal protection of law. That's our 14th Amendment, equal protection. So I'm gonna make it a little bit longer video. I got like 70 slides here. Hang on, I'm gonna get back down. Hang on. My channel got. Hang on. Oh, let me check out my chat room. Nobody in the chat room. We'll go to the Sixth Amendment. Hit the sixth. This one about the Florida Supreme Court got this wrong. I'll tell you why. This here is confirmed what I said. The red light camera company got to be in court. Okay? So for the Supreme Court, you got beat here. Okay? And hang on. Let's go back to this one. I'm gonna get out of here. I like all my slides. I can rip you guys apart. So basically, RICO Act is 3-time damages. So basically, everything you did, you violated the RICO Act in this scam. Okay. So I'm gonna get at it. So Happy New Year, everybody. My channel completely changed. I'm gonna check this out. Well, this is the way to go. Good. Okay. So what I plan to do is do 3 minutes on every. I'm gonna recap like 3 minutes on everything. I brought the 6. I'll recap it. The first, whatever, everything. I'll make 100 videos that way. Okay. So see you guys later. What you gonna do when corruptions are? Help you. Thank you for watching.